Learn common illnesses and health problems vocabulary in English. Influenza, or flu. A viral infection that causes fever, cough, sore throat, runny or stuffy nose, and body pain. I'm suffering from influenza. Influenza spreads easily during winter. Prickly heat. A skin condition that causes small, red, and itchy rashes due to heat and sweating. I got prickly heat after playing in the sun. Use talcum powder to stop prickly heat. Blister. A small bubble on the skin filled with fluid, usually caused by rubbing, burns, or friction. I got a blister from my new shoes. Don't pop the blister, it will heal soon. Pimple. A small, red spot on the skin caused by clogged pores or excess oil. I got a pimple on my chin. Don't squeeze the pimple, it can leave a mark. Sty or sty. A small, painful swelling on the edge of the eyelid caused by a bacterial infection. I've got a sty on my left eye. Warm compress helps cure a sty. Wound. An injury or cut on the skin, usually caused by something sharp. I have a small wound on my leg. Keep cleaning the wound to prevent infection. Scar. A mark left on the skin after a wound or injury has healed. The cut healed, but it left a small scar. Some scars fade over time, while others stay forever. Scratch. A small cut or scrape on the skin, often caused by something sharp. I have a small scratch on my hand. He got a deep scratch on his arm in a bike accident. Bruise. A dark mark on the skin caused by a hit or a fall when blood collects under the skin. I got a bruise on my knee after falling. Don't worry, the bruise will heal in a few days. Scab. A hard, dry crust that forms over a wound while it's healing. Don't scratch the scab on your knee. The scab will fall off in a few days. Scabies. A contagious skin infection caused by tiny mites that burrow under the skin, leading to an itchy rash and small bumps. I can't stop scratching because of scabies. Scabies spreads through close contact. Piles. A condition where veins in the anus become swollen, causing pain, itching, or bleeding. I have piles and can't sit properly. Eat fiber-rich food to prevent piles. Indigestion. A condition that causes discomfort or pain in the stomach, usually after eating too much or too quickly. I've had indigestion after a heavy meal. Drink warm water to help with indigestion. Constipation. A condition where it's difficult to pass stool or you don't have regular bowel movements. I'm suffering from constipation. Eat fiber-rich food to avoid constipation. Diarrhea. A condition where a person passes loose or watery stools several times a day. I got diarrhea after eating street food. Drink ORS to stay hydrated during diarrhea. Dysentery. An intestinal infection that causes severe diarrhea with blood and stomach pain. I'm suffering from dysentery and have stomach pain. Drink clean water to stay safe from dysentery. Inflammation. Swelling, redness, or pain caused by infection or injury. There is inflammation in my knee. Cold compress helps reduce inflammation. Ulcer. A sore or open wound that forms on the skin or inside the body, often in the stomach or mouth. Mouth ulcers can be very painful while eating. Stomach ulcers can get worse if left untreated. Infection. Illness caused by bacteria, viruses, or fungi entering the body. I'm taking antibiotics for an ear infection. Wash cuts properly to prevent infection. Cold. A common viral infection that causes a runny nose, sneezing, and cough. I caught a cold after getting wet in the rain. Drink hot soup when you have a cold. Sore throat. Pain or irritation in the throat, usually caused by a cold, infection, or talking too much. I have a sore throat, and it hurts when I swallow. Drink warm water to soothe your sore throat. Fever. A condition when the body temperature becomes higher than normal, often due to an infection. I'm feeling weak because of the fever. Take rest and drink fluids during fever. Nausea. A sick feeling in the stomach that makes you feel like vomiting. I have nausea if I eat too much. I have nausea whenever I travel by car. Vomiting. The act of bringing food or liquid out of the stomach through the mouth, often due to illness or food poisoning. I started vomiting after eating spoiled food. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated after vomiting. Sore eyes. Redness, pain, or irritation in the eyes, often caused by strain, infection, or dryness. I have sore eyes after using my phone all day. I've got sore eyes because of dust and smoke. Ear infection. An infection that causes pain, swelling, or discomfort inside the ear. I have an ear infection and can't hear properly. My ear hurts because of an infection. Cavities or tooth decay. Damage to a tooth caused by bacteria or poor dental hygiene, leading to small holes or pain in the teeth. I have toothache due to tooth decay. Eating too many sweets can cause cavities. Toothache. Pain in or around a tooth, often caused by tooth decay or infection. I have a toothache and can't eat properly. Visit the dentist if your toothache doesn't stop. Headache. Pain or discomfort in the head or neck area. I have a headache after working all day. Take some rest if your headache gets worse. Earache. Pain or discomfort in the ear, often caused by infection, cold, or fluid buildup. I have a bad earache since last night. The doctor said my earache is due to an infection. Backache. Pain in the lower or upper back, often from sitting too long or strain. I have a backache from sitting at my desk all day. A gentle massage can help relieve backache. Stomachache. Pain or discomfort in the stomach area, often caused by overeating, indigestion, or infection. I have a stomachache after eating too much. Avoid spicy food if you often get a stomachache. Fatigue. Extreme tiredness or lack of energy, usually after work or illness. I'm feeling fatigue after a long day. Rest well to recover from fatigue.